Badger bites, badger bites. Watch how to make 'em right now.
Welcome back to another episode of Badger Bites. I'm Rhiannon West.
And I'm Youssef and Rhiannon.
Today we are going to be making pancakes.
Oh, that should be interesting. I've never made one before, so I can't wait to see how it turns out to be.
Let's get started.
Yeah.
In this week's bag, as provided by the Student Life and Leadership Center, you will find some syrup, pancake mix, and either peanut butter or chocolate chips. We also have some additional ingredients that we will be using.
As for the utensils, we will need a mixing utensil, measuring spoon, a measuring cup, 2 mixing bowls, a frying pan, and a spatula. Okay, now, this is the exciting part. We are getting to actually cooking the pancakes. So you guys have to follow the instructions on the packet. It says here that if you want to get 6 to 9 pancakes, we will need 1 cup from the pancake mix, 1 cup of water, and that's about it. So we'll just start mixing everything in our mixing bowl. Let's get our dry ingredients first, and then add the water. Now we just start mixing. It almost feels like it's too thick. So let's mix it very well. Make sure that everything is mixed up. And it's almost ready. We don't have a lot more left. Yeah. So this is our end result. Well, not end result, but you get it. That's the texture that we're looking for, that we want to get. And that's about it. I will leave you with Rhiannon. She wants to show you like some really cool stuff. And yeah, she'll be showing you our cooking options, our mixing options. And yeah, that's about it.
Now, let's make some mix-ins for our pancakes. First, we're gonna start off with taking a gallon baggie. And in that gallon baggie, you're gonna put 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a stick of melted butter, and 1 tablespoon of brown cinnamon. And just like that, you're just gonna mix it together in the gallon baggie. And that's it for our mix-ins. Now let's start the pancakes.
Okay, now we will be cooking our pancakes on our frying pan. So I have preheated my my frying pan to check that everything is good and that it's hot. I'll just, don't put your hands, don't do that. But just you can feel that it's like super warm and very hot. Next I will use my cooking spray, so non-sticking spray, whatever I don't know you guys how you call this, but the spray that you use so you don't stick. You got it. So let's shake it, because that's how I've seen people use it. I hope I didn't put too much. So we just don't want our pancakes to stick in there. And then I will mix it real quick, because you definitely don't want your thing to be standing up a lot before you put it. And then, you know, I prefer, this doesn't look good. I'll just pour. And then we'll just wait. So here we have our spatula. I just love that word, I don't know why. Gonna flip it. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, so we could check it to see, it looks done. Just move it to the plate. And we will be putting more pancakes on, because that's what you do. So now I will show you like what a bad example would look like. I will make one that is very undercooked and one that is overcooked. So here's a good example of our three types of pancakes. This one is clearly undercooked, this one is overcooked, and that's the kind of texture that we want to go for. That's the kind of cooking. But I mean, some people prefer to have it undercooked, some others prefer to have it overcooked, but this is the one that most people like to have. That's it, and I will leave you for Rhiannon. She wants to show you other things.
Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to add some mix-ins into your pancakes. So first you're going to start by making a pancake like regular. Okay, and then you're going to take your bag and then take one of the corners to the mix-ins and just cut it right off, like you would any other piping bag. And then you're just going to squeeze your mixture around the pancake. Usually it looks better than this. I think next time we're gonna add a little bit more butter. Okay, perfect. Now that we can see our pancake is starting to bubble, we're gonna flip it. And just like that, that is how you make a mix-in pancake. All right, so right here we have the done pancake with the mix-ins. And now we're just gonna move that over to the side and we're gonna make a different type of mix-in. And luckily I remembered the spray. Okay. Wow, almost a perfect circle. Okay, now you're gonna take your either peanut butter or chocolate chips that you got, slice them open, and then add your desired amount of chocolate chips or peanut butter chips. Looks great. Okay, and then you just let it cook like a regular pancake. Now that I can see the bubble starting to rise, I'm gonna flip it. Wow. A masterpiece. All right, let's flip it back over just so you can see the chocolate chips melted. And just like that, that is how you make another mix-in pancake.
Okay, you guys, Rhiannon just finished making her pancakes. I honestly am dying to taste them. So, which one am I gonna pick? I think I'm gonna go with the cinnamon ones. Should probably add some syrup on it, because who doesn't love syrup? And I just put a lot of syrup, like a lot. I should probably take off my mask. Okay, well, the texture is really good. They look tasty, but I don't trust Rhiannon. Okay. They're actually really good. They're very sweet, which is something that I love. I think I'm gonna take another bite. Sorry. Oh my god, they are so good. So good. Okay, yeah. Rhiannon, do you want to taste mine or yours or whatever? You want to come here? Alright. I will leave you guys. Put my mask on. Take away my thing.
All right, let's try these bad boys out. I'm gonna try the other mix-in pancake, the one that we use the peanut butter chips for. I personally think it'll already be sweet enough, so I'm gonna try it just regular. Wow, the peanut butter chips are cooked perfectly. That's pretty dang good.
Oh my god, I really enjoyed filming this episode. That was my first time making pancakes, and I was not expecting my first try to be good, but it was, and I was so surprised. But I also really enjoyed your cinnamon pancakes. They were so good. Like I'm eating that after this. I love that. I just love it.
And however you like your pancakes, I hope you enjoyed watching Youssef make his very first pancakes. Thanks for watching Badger Bites.
That's how you use the spray. Yeah, I thought I would need Rhiannon's help, but clearly I don't.
In fact, I'm going to turn down the heat just a little bit. It's off.
Don't forget to turn off the the stove, yeah. Okay, have a good day.